Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, in this video, we will be replacing the oil seal rear side in the Carrier X4. Watch this video. Hello Reefers. First, we need to remove the compressor and we also need to close the suction and discharge valve so that we don't need to recover the freon. The compressor has been removed, so this is the flywheel with a 617 mm bolt that we also need to remove. You can see the leak. The flywheel was removed. Then clean the rear side to remove the oil before we remove the oil seal case. We're done cleaning. Now we're going to remove the 12 mm bolt, so I use a number 12 socket. Take note, you have to remember that the bolts are not the same length. The ones on the inside are longer than the outer side. After that, this is the sleeve crankshaft and this is the outer gasket, as you can see. and the inner gasket. You can see the inside. And finally, this is the oil seal. This is where the crankshaft sleeve is attached. So slowly pounding so that our sleeve doesn't break. Then use the old sleeve to push the new sleeve in. We're done putting the sleeve. When we finish attaching the crankshaft sleeve, we will follow the oil seal and the case. We also need to use a torch so that we don't break or lose thread of the bolt and everything is evenly tight. After tightening, we will follow the flywheel. I'm done attaching the flywheel. Well, tighten the 17 mm bolt, so we still use torch. And then final tightness. Then we can return the compressor. We're done, so thanks for watching the video.